Page 33, Rock-a-Bye Dolly. Again, we're just using the stuff that we've learned so far. Let's look it over. It's one line long, treble and bass clef, 3/4 time signature now, so there's only 3 counts in a measure. I see quarter notes, half notes, dotted half notes, and of course there's some rests stuck in there. The hands are playing at the same time, so I'm going to do this one hand at a time first. Make sure I understand what each hand is doing. So the right hand is starting here. You're in this position. And these are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. No big deal, and we've had all this before. And the left hand, you're starting with some on here, so you're here. And it's just 1, 2, 3, 1. Wasn't this fun? Well, let's put the hands together then and see what we get. We're here in middle C position. And it's just one hand at a time until we get to here. These have together and then here and here. So these notes are going. You want to get good at that, just that feeling. And then going on, you get the rest of it. So once I have the notes and the rhythms okay, and I go through and get rid of the hesitations, and I can play this without looking at the keyboard, okay? And then I can think about the art or the interpretation. Natural accents. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Just one. Feel these. Don't exaggerate. Feel them. It should be clear to the listener that this is in 3/4 time. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 1. That's feeling. As far as the phrasing goes, well, you're looking at the words for clues, but you have to listen to the music, what sounds like a phrase. Because to me, it's like, that's one thought right there. And that's the second thought. That would be 2 phrases. So I would lift up between them, just a little lift up, like taking a breath. If I follow the commas in there, I got here. And I'm not so sure I would want to do that, because at the end, if you do that comma, you're lifting up there, and that's rather unmusical. I don't recommend it. So I'm going to suggest this is only 2 phrases, and you lift up after the dotted half note in the middle, just like taking a breath here. You don't have to go that fast. You can rock your baby slower than that. I don't care how fast you rock, but keep it steady beat throughout. Let's play this together very slowly and double check the notes and rhythms. Make sure we got all that. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 2, 2, 3.